What is up, YouTube? It is Cam here from the Tech Lecture. Today we're going to be taking a look at creating an AWS account. So that is an Amazon Web Services account. If you're not familiar with that, Amazon actually provides a ton of different cloud services for us to make use of. They also have a free tier, so you can get many of their different services for up to a year. So, in this installment of our video, we're going to actually create an AWS account, and then in some of the later videos, we're going to cover how to create access keys and use the AWS CLI tools on Mac and actually copy files, move files around, and do a whole ton of other different things within the AWS ecosystem. So for now, let's go ahead and jump in. First, we're going to open a browser. In this case, we're going to be using Safari. So go over, just Google AWS console, should do it, which is at aws.amazon.com. So we're going to go over here to the top right corner and choose Create an AWS Account. So from there, we're going to use an email. So check. Alright. Alright. So we've entered our email address, created a password, and then created our AWS account name. Let's go ahead and click continue here. So for this, it's going to be a personal use. Tech lecture. I don't really want to fill out any of this stuff. Let's see what's required. Phone number is required. Alright. So I don't think this is actually going to let me fully proceed with the rest of this creation process. What I'm going to do is actually log into my AWS account that I've already created. So that way I don't violate any of their terms of service on creating accounts or anything. And then I will show you what that looks like. Alright, so whenever you log into the AWS console, it looks like this. As you can see, Amazon has a ton of services that they provide. We will cover many of them, actually not even many of them, some of them for now, and then eventually later on we'll cover more and more of them. I'll probably be highlighting EC2 quite a bit, which is actually how you launch a virtual machine in the cloud. I'll cover S3, which is their storage, and then RDS potentially here a little bit later on, which is their managed relational database service. We'll cover VPCs, Route 53, which is their DNS, and several of the other services that they provide, but those are kind of the highlight ones I want to hit first. So, alright, well, now that you know how to create an AWS account, in the next video we're going to be covering probably Amazon EC2, so be on the lookout for that. And I will see you all in the next video. I hope you have a wonderful day.